everybody, this is Jordan Hallman, Technology Specialist here at Lexus of London. I am in a beautiful 2018 RX 350 right now, and I just thought that I would show you guys a fun little feature that we have that I get a lot of questions about as a technology specialist, and that is this button right at the back here. So this is our temporary hold button. And the meaning is within the name. It's a temporary hold on your vehicle. So a lot of our guests would use this when they are getting off the highway and they're at a stoplight, or if they're stuck behind a train and they're going to be sitting there for a while. This allows them to remove their foot from the brake and the vehicle to be put in a temporary hold, so allowing them to stretch their feet out, take a quick break before they have to continue on driving. And so yeah, you just press this button down, you can release the brake, and you're good to go. And it's like your vehicle is in park. To take this setting off, all you have to do is start driving again, just accelerate the vehicle, and it'll be off. So yeah, I just thought that was a nice little feature for everyone to know about that I have had a lot of questions about. I hope I helped you out here today, and I hope you have a great day.